a quarter. Indeed, let's go to Chicago one last time. Our good friend Todd Horwitz, they're live at the floor at the CME Group. Todd, looking good in your three-piece suit today.
Exactly right. Well, two pieces anyways. I just look big, that's all. When you get fatter, it looks like you got three pieces.
Yeah, no jokes like that here. I'm with you in that one. Hey, what about this grain trade here? We kind of head to March. All the numbers from U.S. Today tomorrow. I know you don't look at those numbers, minute by minute, but just the kind of psychology you feel in the market right now.
Well, I think right now the market is confused. I think the market is what we call in consolidation, which is really doing nothing. I think this morning it was interesting as I was taking my morning nap at 10:30, the grains went straight up. They really rallied about 5-6 cents at 10:30, wheat, corn, and soybeans. And we ran up and then we're coming back down. We actually got into green territory for a while. I think we're really just kind of waiting. It's like the entire economic system is on edge, waiting for somebody to announce something. Now, I think in the equity market, it's waiting for a reason to sell off. I think in the grain markets, they're waiting for a reason to buy. Overall, though, we're just really kind of churning. It's called a battle between the weak hands and the strong hands. The strong hands try to push them up, and we can't. New money comes and pushes them down. And right now, really, we're just seeing a bunch of churning. There hasn't been any real action the entire week. Where have we gone? We haven't moved more than 3 or 4 cents off a center line the entire week. So I think it's more of the same right now until we can break this range out, and I do believe it'll break to the upside.
And that being said, a producer out there, maybe a new viewer, new listener, haven't heard Todd Horwitz frequently as much as others, that we want to hold on to the grain if you can because better prices are ahead.
I think so, especially those guys on XM 147 too. But I want to make sure that you understand if you're either hedged properly or you have the money to sit back and hold. I think you have a much better opportunity because we look at this more of as a math or an equation problem now. It's the probabilities of how much lower we can go to where we can go on the upside, and I think the greater chances that we can move to the upside, and you'll have a better chance to sell later.
Now, did I miss your free seminar that you're going to have online with our producers? Or was that last Wednesday, or is that today?
It's today at 3 o'clock Central Time. There's still room to get in. Got a lot of registrants, but we're going to go over how to hedge everything and how to take care of your positions and give you some education today. It's at 3 o'clock. You can sign up from BubbaTrading.com.
BubbaTrading.com. That's 3 o'clock Central Time, just to make sure that we're covering that. Free to any producer or anyone out there. And that's what we really appreciate about what you're bringing to the table here, helping everybody just manage their risk, whether they're buying or selling, managing their risk in some way. Todd, we're going to take a break, come back and check the livestock trade with you, and do that in 1 minute. Todd Horwitz live from Chicago, BubbaTrading.com. Check that out. Be right back.